Hello everyone, my name is Carrie Lynn and I'm from the Musicplay team. Today I want to share with you what we have available on MusicplayOnline for your more advanced recorder players. On MusicplayOnline you'll see the word recorder on the left hand side. If your screen is a little smaller and you don't see it, it might be further down the page, so scroll down and click on the recorder. This will bring you up to the recorder section on MusicplayOnline. You'll see that the first 4 tabbies are all Kit 1 for your beginners. The last 3 tabbies are all Kit 2, which are for more of your advanced players. Kit 2 is made up of duets and possibly trios if you have a few alto recorders lying around. Let's start with Kit 2 movies. All of the songs with the full scores have been made into movies with the practice audio underneath. You'll notice that there is a mysterious line with the words TR alto, which means transposed alto. Moving on to the last 2 tabbies, Kit 2 Kids. All the songs have the 2 soprano parts written in kids' notes, and the audio is the practice audio. Under Kit 2 ACC, it's the same, but each song uses accompaniment audio instead of the practice audio. If you wish this was all printed out for your students, it is. Head over to musicplay.ca and search for the Recorder Resource Book 2, and you'll find the teacher's guide, digital resources, and the student books. We also have many more recorder publications to keep challenging your advanced students. In our next video, Denise will give us tips on how to teach transposed alto. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube to catch our tips and tricks. Thanks so much for listening, and we hope you have a great day full of music and fun.